Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to buy a car on Facebook Marketplace. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Buying a car on Facebook Marketplace can be a great way for new and used vehicles. However, it's important to be cautious and take steps to protect yourself from scams and ensure you're getting a quality car. Often, cars listed on Facebook Marketplace are sold by private individuals, bypassing dealership markups and potentially leading to lower prices than traditional dealerships. On the FB Marketplace, negotiating directly with the seller can open up opportunities for further price reductions, especially if you're a skilled negotiator. And you can contact and communicate directly with the car owners through the platform. To buy a new or used car from the Facebook Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile. You can also buy a car using the Facebook web app. Now, tap on three horizontal lines from the top right corner of the screen. If you are using iPhone, it is on the bottom right corner. After that, tap on Marketplace. Once in Marketplace, look for the categories and tap on it. You can also find cars by searching vehicle names. Then, tap on vehicles from available categories. Here you will see a list of vehicles. Just scroll down and find the one for you. You can filter results by various criteria like price range, mileage, year, and location. Use the filters to narrow down your options based on your specific needs and preferences. Now, tap the car photo to view details about it. Read the car's description carefully. Look for details like the car's condition, history, any accidents or repairs, and the reason for selling. Pay close attention to the photos in the listing. Look for any damage, rust, or discrepancies between the photos and the description. You can ask for more photos if something seems unclear. Once you find a car you're interested in, contact the seller directly through Facebook Marketplace. Always schedule a test drive before committing to buying the car. And before buying, don't be afraid to negotiate the price. Once you've agreed on a price, ensure you receive a bill of sale from the seller and properly transfer the title of the car to your name. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.